pink. Imported. Easy decorating. Dream Factory bedding can help you quickly style a fashionably fun kids' bedroom. 3-PC set includes one comforter, 88 by 88 inches, and 2 shams, 20 by 26 inches. Versatile design inspires your child's imagination and creates a fun sleep space, the perfect all-season bedding. Durable, soft, comfortable pure cotton has a cozy touch for sweet dreams and a good night's sleep. Gift idea. Give a gift to family, friends, children and grandchildren for birthdays, holidays or special occasions. Top reviews from the United States. Cotton. Best value for all cotton comforter I could find, and I love the colors. So bright and cheery. Daughter loves how ridiculously girly it is. Just what I was looking for.